Hey everyone, welcome back again, and in this video you will see how you can send colleges or school brochures on WhatsApp automatically on receiving an inquiry. So guys, suppose that you are working in any school or in college and you want to share the brochures or prospectus of your colleges to your customers like the parents or the students automatically on WhatsApp. This automation is going to help you a lot because here you don't have to send those brochures and prospectus manually. Let me show you how. So you can see on my screen I have created an inquiry form with the help of Elementor form plugin of WordPress, and here as and when any customer like the student or parent is going to fill this form and submit, the brochure of your college or school will be shared on the WhatsApp account automatically of the interested person who have inquired. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So guys, without further ado, let's dive right in and see how it is going to work. So guys, to set up this automation, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application. And to reach here, you can use this link, pabbly.com/connect. And from here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. So we have pasted this link in the description as well. So by clicking on the sign up free button, you can sign up in 2 minutes and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, here you can create a workflow. For that, you just have to click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable or relevant name to your workflow. So I'm giving the name here as send college brochures on WhatsApp, right? So after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So guys, automation is going to work on these two things only. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. So guys, in this use case, the trigger would be receiving of a form submission which I have created and embedded here in my schools or colleges website. You can see here I have embedded an inquiry form. So the filling of this form, the submission of this form is going to act as a trigger for this workflow, and the action towards that trigger would be to send the brochure on WhatsApp to the person who have filled the inquiry form, right? So first of all, you need to set up this trigger. So from this choose app field, you have to choose the trigger application as Elementor, because I have created the form with the help of Elementor plugin, and the trigger event would be new form submission. Okay, and here you can see we got this webhook URL here. So with the help of this URL, we are going to make a connection with our inquiry form, and after that we are going to capture the response of that webhook connection. Okay, this means we are going to fill the form and capture some data here. Let me show you how exactly you can make this connection, guys. You can see this is my my website's page, and here I'm going to click on this edit with Elementor option, and the editor of Elementor will open up like this. And from here, when you click on this form, you will see on the left hand side panel the content section, and when you scroll down under the content section, you will find this actions after submit option. So from here, from this actions after submit field, you will find this add action field. From here you have to let me show you. From here you have to type webhook, okay, and add it, right? So when you add this action in the below here, you will find this webhooks option, guys. Okay, so when you click on webhooks, it will show you this webhook URL. Okay, so here you have to paste the webhook URL that you got from your workflow. So just copy it and paste it here in this webhook URL field like this. Okay, then click on update, and you can see the form is being updated here. So the form is updated, and here you can see in the workflow, as I have copied this webhook URL, here it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now we have to perform a test submission. Test submission means we have to fill this form on the behalf of any demo or sample customer, and after that we are going to capture the data of the form submission here, and that test data, with the help of that test data we are going to set up this automation further. Okay, so here I'm coming back to my form, and here I'm going to open this form. Okay, so I'm clicking on view page. All right, and let's fill this form, guys. So here I'm filling the form on the behalf of, let's say Zoya Khan is filling this form. This is the email ID, and this is, here I am going to put the WhatsApp number of this person. Okay, and now I'm clicking on submit here, and you can see the form was sent successfully. Okay, so the form is submitted. Let's see in our workflow if we got the data. And you can see in this response section, we got the details of the form submission like this: Zoya Khan, email ID, WhatsApp number, and the form ID, right? So this is how we can capture the test data. And after that, what we want to do, we want to send a WhatsApp message to the person who have filled the form. For that, we are going to use this actions tab. And from here, I'm going to search for WhatsApp's Cloud API. All right, so guys, Cloud API is the recently launched platform by Facebook to give access to people and businesses of WhatsApp's API, that is application programming interface, so that they can connect their number with the API and send messages, transactional messages on WhatsApp, right? So you have to set up the Cloud API first, and after that you can use it here. So if you want to know how to set up, you can watch the videos from the description where we have thoroughly explained how you can set up your Cloud API. All right. And when you select WhatsApp Cloud API here in the action event, you have to select send template message option, then click on connect. And from here, if you're making the connection with your Cloud API for the very first time, you have to select this add new connection option. And here you can give a name to this connection, okay, according to you. And then it will ask for the token, permanent access token, and the phone number ID and the business account ID. Okay. So if you want to know about these things, and if you want to know more about the Cloud API setup inside Pabbly Connect, you can just click here on this here word written in blue, and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly. And here you will find these two videos. First video is for the complete Cloud API setup guide. Second is for generating the permanent access token. And here you will find the steps along with the screenshots and the instructions for connecting Cloud API in the trigger and in the actions. Okay, so you can learn many things about Cloud API here. And for these three things, guys, I can show you my Cloud API setup. So guys, here you can see I am under Meta for Developers section, and here I am under this app, My Connect Message app, and I have set up my Cloud API. So I am clicking on WhatsApp's Getting Started page, and this is the Getting Started page, guys. And here you can see we have this temporary access token. So they gave you temporary tokens first, but these temporary tokens expires in 24 hours. So you need to generate a permanent one so that you can continuously run your workflows. Okay. So after generating, and if you want to know how to generate the permanent token, you can watch the videos from the description, or from this forum page you can watch these videos. Okay. And after generating the permanent token, you have to keep it safe, because we are going to use the same token for making the connection afterwards also, right? And guys, here only in this send and receive messages section, you can see we got this phone number ID. So you can copy it from here and paste it here. Okay, in the token you have to paste the permanent token, and in the phone number ID you can paste the phone number ID like this. Similarly, you can copy the business account ID and paste it here like this. All right. And after pasting all three things, you just have to click on save, and you will be connected with Cloud API setup, and this connection is going to be saved here in your account, right? So creating the connection by this process, guys, is a one-time process, because the connection is going to be saved. So the next time if you want to make the connection again, you can use that existing connection. As I have already made many connections before my Cloud API before in different workflows with my Cloud API setup. So now I can use any existing connection that I have. Let me show you how. You can see this is select existing connection option we have. Just select it, and from this select connections list, you can find your existing connections here like this. Okay, so from here you can select any of your existing connection, like I'm selecting here, and now I just have to click on save, and you can see we are getting connected. Okay, and here it is asking for templates name. Okay, so let me first tell you what templates are. So guys, to send messages on WhatsApp, first of all you need to create message templates here. You can read here in the send messages with the API section, it is written to create your own message template, click here. So when you click on this here word, you will reach this page guys. Let me show you. You will reach this page, and here you can see these are the message templates I have created. So guys, message templates are nothing but the predefined message structures that you have to create here first and get it approved from Facebook. After that, you can use those standard message templates to send messages to multiple people at once on WhatsApp, right? So guys, for this purpose, for sending brochures, I have created this template. Let me show you. The name of which is send underscore brochure underscore PDF, and you can see here this is how the message is going to appear on WhatsApp. This is the preview of the message. Here it is saying hello Roger Binney, which is any sample name. Thanks for showing your interest. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check your brochure, and here we are going to attach our brochure here, and here we are going to have the website address. Okay, so guys, there will be some things that you want to change with every new message, like the name of the person to whom you are sending this message. That is going to change with every new message. Okay, the website address will be the same, and this will also be the same. The brochure will also be the same. Okay, but guys, to change this thing, the name of the person, you have to add a variable tag or a body field inside your message template. In the body, you can see in this body we have one in double curly braces. This is a variable field or a body field here. We have two also. For the website address also we have placed a variable tag if you have more than one website, and here you can see we have placed third variable for placing the name of the business also. Okay, so let me show you how you can create such a template. You can see from this page we have this create message template button. So by clicking on it, you will reach this page. From here you can select these three categories, any one of these three categories, the transactional one, the marketing, and the OTPs. So from here you can select any one. I am selecting marketing, and here in the name field you can give any name, any suitable name to this template. In the language, you can select the language in which you want to send the message, like this. Okay, and from this top right corner, click on continue, and you will reach this page. All right, and here you can add a header into the message, and in that header you can attach a short text or media, and in this media you can send an image, a video, or a document. And if you're selecting document or anything here, you have to add a sample of that also. So let's say I'm selecting document here. So by clicking on this add sample button, I have to add a sample PDF file here. Okay, after that, in the body box you can type the main message that you want to send. Okay, like this. And if you want to add a variable, just click on this add variable button, and this is how a tag will be added here. Okay, and in the footer section you can add a short line. In the button section you can add a call to action button or a quick reply button. Okay, and after creating such a template, you just have to click on submit from this top right corner, and your message template will be submitted. Right now I'm canceling this, and after submitting the template, Facebook is going to review that template and approve it, and it will just take a few minutes, and after that you can use that template here in your workflow. So guys, the template I am using is this one, as I have already shown you, send brochure PDF. So I'm going to select this from the list here in the workflow. You can see it is showing the list of all the approved templates I have, and from here I'm going to search for this one, send brochure final. Okay, and you can see the language code and the template ID is auto populated here. Here it is asking for the recipient's mobile number field or the WhatsApp number of the person to whom you are sending this message. So guys, we have received the test data from the form submission here in the first step. So I'm going to use these labels to map here to send messages, okay, or to set up this automation, right? So for this recipient mobile number field, just click here, and in the drop down you will see the Elementor step. When you click on it, you will see all the data that you have received in the first step. From here, map the mobile number label like this. Okay, and you have to map this number like this with a country code. 91 is for India and without any plus sign, right? Now it is asking for the header document URL. So here you have to place the PDF files link, the brochures link that you are sending, that you want to send to your customer. Here you have to add the file's name. Here you have to map the values of the body fields. Okay, so let me add the URL here. So guys, this is the brochure I have created, you can see, and I'm going to copy the link of this brochure from the search bar, and I'm going to paste this link here in this header document field like this. And here you have to provide a name to this document, so I'm placing the name here as brochure.pdf. so you have to remember, you have to enter the name of the document with the file extension. Okay, right? And here it is saying, it is asking for the body fields. So as I have already shown you that in my message template, we got 3 body fields here. First one is for name, second is for the website, and third one is for the organization's name. Okay, so guys, to get these body fields changed dynamically and automatically with every new message, you need to map the values of these body fields here in your workflow. Okay, and to map the data, just click here and you will find this Elementor step. So from here, map the name label. Okay, in the second body field, let me see. In the second body field, you have to enter the website address. So this is my website page. I'm just copying this from here. You have to copy your website address. I'm just showing you the demo and paste it here. In the third body field, I'm placing the name of the college like this. Okay. So the things which I have mapped here are going to change automatically with every new form submission. This means when we are done setting up this automation in real time, whenever you are receiving any inquiry, the WhatsApp message will be delivered automatically with the new details that you have mapped here. That's why it is necessary to map the data. The things you are placing here manually are not going to change. These will remain static. Okay. Now we are done filling all the details, and by clicking on save and send test request, I can show you how the test message is going to look like because I have the access of this WhatsApp number. Okay, so I'm clicking on save and send test request here, and this is the response we have received. Now let me show you the message. So guys, you can see this is the message we have received, and the message is this: hello Zoya Khan, thank you for showing your interest in this website, and one of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check your brochure, and here you can see a brochure file is attached here. Let me download this. So our customer can download this file from here only, and you can see this is the same file that I have created and that I want to send. Okay, and this is the same data that I have placed here in the workflow. You can see in place of the name variable tag, we got the name placed here like this, and in the website address place, I have the website address. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and we have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here in the workflow. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.